Hold on. Straight up, y'all. This is your boy Hollywood, y'all. I'm sitting here with the baddest punk in America. Stop, no, for real, for real. No, stop, girl. Look.
Stop.
It's Famous, the baddest punk, because he just spit some shit to me and Donna. Donna, what he just spit, girl?
He did that, though. He did that. My girl did it.
Yes. He just spit some real shit. But I'm gonna let y'all witness it on YouTube, y'all motherfucker self. I ain't got shit to say to y'all. I swear to God. Get him, Famous.
Shut up.
So sit in the car. No. Sit in your car. Show them what car you driving. Show them hoes.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Go.
Sitting outside, I'm just chilling in Infinity. People looking at me just mad, get enemies. Everybody know I'm hot like fire. The reason why I do them like Comcast wired. Everybody looking at me looking so ecstatic. The reason why I spit so hard, so dramatic. I give a Frankenstein, they want to see the monster. I'ma give it to them, make it cold like a tundra. Everybody know I spit, name Sissy Rich, aka Famous Dade County, so legit. Go on, ask in Miami, I'm the one with the crown. If you want to make cash, I can make it go down. They be looking at me sad boys with the shot dots. I got family there. Go on, check my father. Everybody mad when they see me, I be ballin'. Reason why them fucking niggas keep calling. And I ain't talking gay shit, I'm only speaking street. Benji's at the benches, I be getting it when I eat. And I ain't gotta talk shit, they knew that. I been hanging around with jammers wearing real Louis packs. I been up in Bell Harbor. Go check my name. I played a different person, but you know I'm doing games. Doing kind of games. Money like Monopoly. Got so much cash at them people can't stop me. Everybody looking. Self-made, no rap. And that's the reason why I make you look like crap. Now, catch my flow when I tell you niggas no. Famous go and spit, do flows where you can't go. They looking at me sideline like I'm Peasy. Boy, I go hard like that young nigga Jeezy. Everybody know I give it to them so legit. Famous, I can spit. Yeah, I can spit. I ain't even gotta prove it. Reason why I tell you people I be your influence. Everybody knows when you hear me doing numbers. Who would pay to see the punk rapping for the summer? Everybody knows I goes in like a fight. Like Drake say, I be up all night. Trying to think, trying to do tactics to get the money out. They see me right there when I was counting in the crouch. Everybody know I go in times 6. The reason why I give it, but they not so legit. And everybody knows I'm doing this shit off top. Outside of Central School while I'm chilling in the top. See me in that top vert. Corey Benz at it. They be looking at me, but I be riding like a fanatic. Straight a fan of it. The SL 500. You say you want to race, I'ma show you how I runs it. Everybody knows when I get it like hopscotch. I was the first punk that was ripping on the block. Boys getting mad. Stop being awkward. I spit kind of flows like I'm playing Tamagotchi, all kind of stuff. Remember the giggly pets? I was over there trying to get a digipet. Back in them days, you know Pokemon, all that. Pikachu, Raichu, Thunderball, all that. Everybody knows, huh? Like I said, I'm so legit just with my bread. I'm like a fish that just got fed. I'ma go to sleep, gonna look like I'm dead. But when you really less suspect, I'ma jump out, get your ass, I bet. Nah, I goes in, I goes in. You ain't gotta lie, cause we ain't friends. And you ain't gotta pretend to me if you be a friend to me. A lot of bitches around me, I know they be my enemies. Wanna see my downfall, wanna see me rumble back, wanna see me over here trying to get it with the stats. My flow Aki, Tama, what? They looking at me sideline, catch the flow up. Now everybody know I goes in, make them stop. Famous is hot. Stuttering on the track, I be stuttering on the beat. My brain get minds cause my brain gets sleep. Get it when I'm thinking logically. People can't spit against me mentally. And I can write some bars. Go on to check me out. Go on to follow me cause I'm the best out. Twitter.com/famous562 _ between that. Go on to check me out, boo. FAMOUS _ 562 is the best. Had to repeat it so you can check. See, I'm the reason why I put them all in check. I'm playing checkers on them, jumping over them like it's a man. Looking at me good when I'm coming with the men. Money kinda green, kinda like Godzilla. I am Michael Jackson meets Thriller. I be catching Ryan trays with the band chase. Hollywood's on the video with the line trays. I'm at Benny Hunter and I'm only getting steak. Y'all over there sitting. Y'all the reason why I wait. Y'all be my waiters. Really, y'all my haters. See, I'm getting papers and y'all not motivators. See, other people trying to spit, trying to blow. Gotta diss people. But for me, that's a no. I just tell you how it is. Got it right there. Looking at me sideline. Tell them I got you still. They over there trying to get me when I'm cruising. Y'all motherfuckers is just rap pollution. A lot of people get deals. A lot of people sign. One time hits, but in their raps they be lying. All them bitches flawed. Never did what they do. Come to Dade County. I'ma show you old school. I'ma give it to you. Represent me when you see me. Fame goes in. Your boys, you can't see me. Hardcore, what I told you. Looking at me, fold you. Reason why I seen them with the ball with the know you. 33 bus. I used to catch that. Who would have thought I had a Range Rover? Bet that.
Oh.
Infinity, still trying to go in. Fuck all you motherfuckers. Y'all ain't gotta pretend, yeah, I'm gonna win. I don't know Khaled, but I'm probably the bestest. Gonna know about it. Huh. Dade County, what's up? Famous reppin' you what? Huh. Got too many flows, too many hoes, too many go-getters that could get me raw clothes. Been up in them stoves. I been seen Chanel. I been did my time, but I never went to jail. Huh. Hot bitch, no probation. Want me to get locked down, that's what they waiting. Everybody know I get in, I'm the truth. Famous gon' spit, gon' put me in the booth. I can make a lot of you hoes hot. I'm the reason why y'all bitches stalking on the block. And I don't know your man, but I bet he know me. CEO in my city. Sissy Rich. That's all I hear him talk about. Every time I see him, all them haters want to walk it out. And I never wrote a check. This is why I'm a straight vet. Never been the rook, Leo ass spook. I'm the reason why you other bitches can't toot. Bitches can't toot. Got their ass sitting low. Motherfuckers flossing like they out here getting clothes. Ain't getting droll. Be on their endo. Kush, little mama, it's my friend Zoe. I be out on South Beach chilling with Renzo. Trying to go get the most shit for my Spinzo. Been working that. Gon' check my pictures. Still the same me, just a little street richer. MySpace, I been killed that shit. Got enough friends, I could been deal that shit. They say they hot, but he got soldiers. MySpace bigger. I thought I told you. I'm hot, man. You ain't even gotta prove it. That's the reason why the mother boys can't straight school it. They can floss, they can say I ain't hot, they can say I be a punk. That's the reason why they cop, not copping deuces. Trying to straight hate, but I'ma be the truth, dog. Just straight wait. I don't know what I'ma be, but in due time, best believe Rainier, yeah, I'm gon' shine. Sissy Rich, bitch. I rep it from a camp. Can't see me, turn the power off. Use a lamp. Put them bitches up in ransom. I'm the reason why them other bitches can't prance them. Dress code,
Bitch.
got them for the no hoes. I make more money than nigga moving kilos.
Yes!
Boolah with the boolah. They be looking at me, but I'm coming with the chula. They told me to start doing this YouTube shit, so I said I be bored, so I might as well spit. So legit, and I can't quit. Never gotta repeat the same shit times 6. Maybe 2 though. I ain't even gonna lie though. I be out there on Facebook getting kudos. Oh, that's MySpace. Please forgive me. I'm so confused cause the weed got me in the chimney. Full of smoke. I ain't not a joke. You the biggest laugh, but I'm the biggest hope. You the biggest note. Niggas can't take that. Then I switch flows and I make them wanna break that. Then I get good when I get on with the early pack. Same reason when I see me niggas can't top that. That where them boys at. You ain't gotta lie. You know I'm hot. I am fire. Jalapeno hot. This is why I'm hot. Full shade, bitch, I'm getting paid. Getting more bread through the county a day. Got a lot to say, I done been through a lot. What y'all thought, punks? Got a store they can't cop? Bitch, I throw tops. Bitch, I move blocks. Boys over there, they mad cause they moving spots. Ask about me. Spit. Told you before, man, my flow is so legit. Legally mad, 2 convicted felon. Nah, it's just pitting, but them boys, they ain't yelling. Got no price, hope this shit go good. But even if I go, dog, it's still good. I'm all hood, shit, I can't lie. Park my car on the curve and I can't drive. Can't drive cause the L suspended. And man, this fucking me up cause I got my windows tinted. Used to be on foes, back on 19s. I still got it in the house, jump on my trampolines. Took this shit off. I don't need the attention. That's the reason why my fucking license on suspension. Talking real shit. I don't need a nigga. Self-made partner. What I'ma do with him? Spending out the currency, they want me to fuck up, so I'm gliding on the beat. Oh, it's not a beat, I'm going acapella. I can switch my flows, do that shit like Cinderella. With a glass slipper at, telling people stop that. Every time they see me make them boys, cannot cop that. I am hot, hotter than them all. Spit, every time the water falls. Telling people with deals, Sissy Rich is here. About to go and kill a couple of careers. Trying to introduce me, what's up? I'm the motherfucking punk in that black truck. Okay, so what you saying? So you be hot, but really you ain't spraying. Everybody know I goes in, they can't top that. That's the reason why the other people want to stop that. They want to stop me, don't want me in the streets. Famous kills it, man, cut the straight beat. Cut the straight beat on. Man, you ain't got that. Got the camera in his hand, but them people can't stop that.
Okay.
I be murdering the bitches.
No,
don't
for real.
tell me to stop because I'm just slaughtering them bitches.
It's really like you got like
Going in like a motherfucker.
You get too much for free. Come on. You get too
Bitch,
much.
I'm giving too much for free.
Bitch, let me tell y'all something. For the straight world that got mad because I crossed over to the gay bro, look what I done crossed over to though. True raw fucking talent.
What?
So y'all straight niggas, y'all gotta use step y'all game up like straight up, like for real.
No, wait. No, but
Come
for
inside.
real.
Let's come inside.
No,
Come.
no.
Let's record with some more.
No, bitch, come on.
Oh God.
Bitch, you going crazy. But yeah, this famous Sissy Rich, Dade County 305, Carol City. R.I.P. still, R.I.P. Shard, R.I.P. Shamari, R.I.P. Lurch. You know what I'm saying? What else? That's it.
You the baddest
Bro,
punk.
alright, cut it off.